Good morning. Happy Friday, friends of Trade Ideas. This is your CEO, Dan Merkin, coming to you live from Southern California. And I'm going to do a quick snippet on how I do it, visual trading. So I'm watching a race. These are gainers from the open. This is set up for me not to be able to miss any move, regardless if it's a Tesla or an Amazon or a smaller stock. And here's what I do. This is the process. I click, okay, I look, and I visually trade. I'm already in this position. Okay, I keep going, view, okay, I like it, I'm gonna let it come back to me. No emotions, there it is, there's my order. AKRO, looks interesting, so I'm gonna do the same thing, come in here and play the pullback. I might not get them, but I can always look at my orders in a different window, but this is how I initiate trades, and this is a winning strategy. Notice, orders with stops at the same time. And you're never going to miss a move if you're watching this window. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy it.